Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet to a website or app on your phone using WalletConnect. And then after that I will explain why WalletConnect is the mobile wallet provider that I choose in 2022. Okay. I said I was going to give explanations after I showed you how, but I might as well explain now. So with WalletConnect, you can connect your wallet using any web browser on your phone. So for example, let's use Chrome here. Travel to whatever application you're trying to connect your wallet to. Press Connect Wallet. They have to support WalletConnect on their website or app. So if you go here and you see that they have WalletConnect, then obviously they support it. But if it's not there, then they probably don't support it. Okay, so click WalletConnect. You got the QR code. You can also just copy it to the clipboard and then paste it in wherever it needs to go. Or you can click here and all your wallet options will appear here. My favorite option, have a MetaMask wallet, have the MetaMask app. Click this to open it in the MetaMask app. And then it will say, can we use your wallet on this website? And you say, yep. Then after that, go back to the website and voila. Your wallet is now connected. So clearly, we're at the edge of innovation when it comes to this technology. Even then, when trying to create this tutorial, I had an issue connecting. So none of the options are perfect, but so far, WalletConnect seems to be the best option for connecting to a wallet using your mobile phone from my experience. And the reasoning behind that is because you can use any mobile browser. You can connect to MetaMask and over 100 other wallets according to their website. And you don't have to use the poo-poo MetaMask browser. So there was my previous video where I showed how to connect your phone to a wallet using the MetaMask browser. I don't know if it's just you guys, or I don't know if it's just me, or if it's happening to you guys as well, but the MetaMask browser recently has been horrible. Like, I'll open it and it crashes almost like 99% of the time. So 2022, I'm using the WalletConnect. Not sure why I said but yes, I am using WalletConnect, and I have a feeling going into the future this will change. This, area of technology is innovating very quickly. Yeah. But I hope that this video helped you out. If so, feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.